Here I have DOOGE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. And that's how you can enter factory mode. Unfortunately, this factory mode is all in Chinese, so I can't really read which are these options, but I can for sure say that you can navigate using volume down. You can't use volume up, it's just disabled in this mode, and you can select options by tapping on the power button. So for sure I can say that this option is this clear eMMC. It's like the factory reset your device, and the last option is reboot, so just select it if you want to exit this mode, and after that your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.